Is your Android's notification panel not showing up when you swipe down? It's a common issue that can be pretty frustrating. But don't worry, I've got you covered. In today's video, I'll show you a few simple fixes to get your swipe down menu working again in no time. So let's get started. Solution 1. Restart your device. This issue is often caused by minor system glitches. The first thing you should try is a forced restart. So to do that, press and hold the volume up button and the power button at the same time. Then tap on Restart. Check your notification panel after the restart. Solution 2. Check for software updates. Outdated software can also cause this kind of bug. First, go to Settings, then scroll down and tap Software Update. Now tap Download and Install. Solution 3. Reset all settings. This won't delete your personal data, but it will restore system settings to default. First, open your settings, then scroll down and tap General Management. Tap on Reset. Select Reset all settings. Confirm and wait for your phone to reboot. After that, swipe down again and your notification panel should be back to normal. Bonus tip: restore missing quick panel icons. If some features are missing from your quick panel, swipe down the notification panel fully. Tap the three-dot menu on the top right and choose Edit Buttons. Here you will see all available buttons. Drag and drop the missing functions back into the active panel. Tap Done when you're finished, and everything should now show up where it belongs. And that's it. That's how you can fix the swipe down notification issue. If you found this video helpful, then please leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe to the channel for more Samsung tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned and take care.